Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. If you are looking for a unique yoga practice that not only challenges your body but also nourishes your mind and soul, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of Jivamukti Yoga. Let's explore its origins, its core principles, and why it might just be the perfect practice for you. Section 1. What is Jivamukti Yoga? So, what exactly is Jivamukti Yoga? It's a modern form of yoga created in 1984 by two incredible yogis, David Life and Sharon Gannon. The word Jivamukti translates to liberation while living, meaning that through this practice we can find spiritual freedom and fulfillment in our everyday lives. Jivamukti Yoga is a blend of physical, ethical, and spiritual practices that incorporates vigorous Vinyasa style sequences, meditation, chanting, and an exploration of ancient yogic teachings. Section 2. The 5 tenets of Jivamukti Yoga. Now let's break down the 5 core tenets of Jivamukti Yoga that make it unique. Number 1. Ahimsa. This is at the heart of Jivamukti Yoga. It's not just about being kind to others, but also to ourselves, animals, and the environment. Many Jivamukti practitioners adopt a vegan lifestyle to align with this principle. Number 2. Bhakti. Bhakti is the practice of connecting to something greater than ourselves, often through chanting, prayer, or dedication. Number 3. Dhyana. Jivamukti places a strong emphasis on meditation as a tool for self-awareness and inner peace. Number 4. Nada. Here we explore the power of sound, music, chanting, and even the sound of our own breath are central to the practice. Number 5. Shastra. This is the study of ancient yoga texts like the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, which guide our practice. Section 3. What to expect in a Jivamukti class? Wondering what to expect in a typical Jivamukti class? Well, it's a dynamic and challenging practice. You'll move through a series of Vinyasa flows, accompanied by music, chanting, and sometimes even readings from yogic scriptures. Classes often end with deep relaxation and meditation. Section 4. Benefits of Jivamukti Yoga. Jivamukti Yoga offers a range of physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. It strengthens the body, improves flexibility, and helps quiet the mind. But more than that, it encourages us to live with greater awareness, compassion, and purpose. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, Jivamukti Yoga has something to offer everyone. It's not just a workout, it's a journey toward a more conscious and compassionate way of living. So if you're ready to explore this transformative practice, I encourage you to give it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more yoga content. Let's continue our journey to unwind and find inner peace together.